welcome to Pouse Around the House. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the pre-motor filter, like this, and the post-motor filter, like this, on a Dyson DC33 vacuum. I'll show you how to wash and refit your old filters, and I'll show you how to replace the old filters with a new set of filters. So first of all, let's remove the pre-motor filter. And we do that by holding this button back here and pulling this bit forward away from the machine. Then just put your finger inside the filter and remove the filter. Now let's remove the post-motor filter. And we do this by pushing this red button down here and remove the unit from the vacuum. Then undo this clip, pull the lid back and remove the filter. While the pre-motor filter is out, I'm going to give the housing it sits in a quick clean. And I'm doing this just using a slightly damp cloth. Now I'll do the same to the post-motor filter housing. Just make sure both the housings are completely dry before refitting the filters. If you've got brand new filters, they should look like this, and they are now ready to fit into the machine. However, if you're going to wash your old filters, I'll show you how to do that now before we fit the filters back to the machine. To wash your pre-motor filter, just remove it from the housing and then give it a good wash in a bucket of water. Dunk the filter in and give it a good squeeze, and do this about 10 times. If your filter's especially dirty, pour the water out, replace it with some clean water and go through the process again. And then give the housing a good tap and give that a wash as well. Then take your post-motor filter and give this a good wash. Then leave those to dry for at least 24 hours or until they're completely dry. If you've washed your old filters, then take your pre-motor filter and fit it back into the plastic housing with the coloured side facing up. If you've bought new filters, then the filter will already be in the housing. And from this point the process is exactly the same whether you're refitting your old filters or whether you're fitting some brand new filters. So turn the filter and the housing upside down and place it back into the case so that this bit is facing outwards, and then refit this to the machine. Push this in until that button clicks and this is firmly secured to the vacuum. Then take your post-motor filter and place that back into the machine with this bit facing upwards. Then take the main unit of your vacuum and click that back into place, and the process is finished. Easy peasy. For more DIY, how-to, household tips and product review, please watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. I've been Pouse Around the House. Ta-ta, farewell.